So you want to enable AirPlay mode on your iPhone, but you don't know how. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable AirPlay mode on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. All you need to do is make sure that your iPhone is turned on. Once you've done that, head over into the settings app on your iPhone by clicking on the app. Basically, once you've done that, you will be at the settings screen, and then literally the first option you will notice is AirPlay mode. All you need to do is enable that switch by basically clicking on it, and then it will say AirPlay mode is enabled by mobile services, and you will also notice that you will not be able to use your mobile services and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, what you can also do in order to enable or disable AirPlay mode is simply heading over into your control center by going into the top right corner of your screen, sliding down, and then you will see at the top left corner of your screen this Wi-Fi connection box where you have a few options such as cellular mode, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, but you will also find AirPlay mode. All you need to do is click on that and then it will be disabled. Then in order to enable it again, just click on it again and it will start turning orange basically. Then that means that AirPlay mode is enabled. Once you've done that, you can disable it again by clicking on that, and that's basically how it's done. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.